Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about India's biggest EV success story, suddenly losing investors' confidence. Yes, Ola Electric share price is falling, investors are worried, and a comedian just made things worse. But here's the real question. Is this the collapse of a dream or painful birth of a stronger company? So we will understand all these aspects regarding Ola Electric share in this video today. Ola Electric was projected as India's EV revolution leader. Massive IPO buzz, aggressive expansion, bold promises from CEO Bhavish Agarwal. This wasn't just a company, it was a movement. Retail investors believed they were investing in India's Tesla story. And that's what happened with its IPO. The listing price of Ola was somewhere around 76 rupee, and within 2 weeks of the listing, the stock price had almost doubled to 156 rupees. So this made Ola a great investment, or it looked like a great investment. But then what happened was reality started showing up in the numbers. The share price was consistently falling, and we will analyze these things in the report. From 156 rupees of its share value, the stock started correcting, not because of the market panic, not because of the EV demand vanished, but because of its fundamental. The two red flags which came in Ola Electric's fundamentals were its negative cash flow. So as you can see, the cash flow was always negative. The operating revenue from 2021 till 2025 is always negative. They had a good recovery during the launch of their product, but it all turned into vain. One more reason for its share to fall is its weak revenue performance. You can see from its profit and loss statement, the operating profit of Ola was always negative starting from its launch of the S1, which happened in 2024. It turned really bad in 2025, and even in this current market scenario, it is not recovering. So the operating profit margin has been negative starting from 50%, then reducing it to 25%, and then again continuing to 54%. So what happened with Ola? Why is it burning so much cash? We will understand this clearly. So growth company can survive losses, but the problem with this company was not its losses, it was its operational inefficiencies and brand damage which happened during the year of 2024. So we will understand what happened exactly, and this is where the real story begins. The service crisis and public fallout. Customers began reporting services delay, spare part shortages, and after sales frustration. And then came a viral clash involving the comedian Kunal Kamra. This online exchange, which happened between Kunal Kamra and Bhavish Agarwal, went so viral that it internally damaged the company's reputation. This added the spark for already where there were a delay in the services and where there were operational inefficiencies. Due to this clash, it exposed something bigger. It exposed the gaps in customer satisfaction and also the service execution. When CEO publicly engages during operational criticism, investors starts questioning its leadership. Market don't react to its memes or the comedians, they do react to its management credibility, and the credibility took a hit due to this clash. From all the way up to 156 rupees of the share price, the Ola's share has dropped somewhere around 83%, and the value of Ola share price today is just 26 rupees. Investor who had invested 1 lakh rupees in Ola shares is currently sitting at just 18,000 rupees. So the hit in the brand reputation caused a major fall in Ola share price, and it has become one of the worst hit share in the year of 2025 and 2026. So, what is the future with respect to Ola? Is it going to die down like this, or is there any turnaround story which is happening in Ola? So, to understand this, we will try to look into its investors presentation. So, this is the investor relationship report of Ola, which recently released. So, company is mainly telling that the manufacturing investments what Ola has done when compared to its peers is way too high. 5,000 crores of Ola when compared to that of its pure EV. Ola is firmly believing that their future might be strong based upon the investment capabilities, the R&D, whatever they have done as of now. Second, margin trend. So gross margin of Ola, how it is improving and what is the benefit with respect to that. So what they are saying is their operational efficiencies are really good, so that their gross margin per sale is around 34%, but when compared to that of its other peers, it is just 20%. So as the number of sales increases, the profitability would come in. This is the claim of from the Ola side. Apart from that, they have acknowledged that the service execution gap is there and it has impacted their brand trust with respect to the customer. So when a company accept that it has the problem with its services and they are working on it, it brings a trust in the investors and also brings in the confidence that company might work on that aspect and try to improve the things. So coming to the strong belief from Bhavish Agarwal is that Ola and its product. So what Bhavish Agarwal is claiming in this report is mainly with respect to the range what Ola provides when compared to that of its other competitors. So for example, for the price band of 1 lakh 20,000 rupees or 1 lakh 40,000 rupees, Ola's range is somewhere around 150 kilometers, whereas their peers are somewhere around 80 to 90 kilometers. So this price gap or this range gap is where Ola is trying to say that their products are still better in terms of range and Indian customers wants the range to be better. And with the launch of S1 Pro with the 5.2 kilowatt battery, they are around 160, and their claim that Roadster X product, it will give somewhere around 252 kilometers of range, which is far beyond than its competitors. So based upon this, Ola is trying to say that their product will survive in the Indian market and will have a comeback. So adding to that, the confidence with respect to its new Gigafactories launch. It is also into the battery manufacturing and also the cell manufacturing. It has translated its Gigafactory to produce 4680 cells, translating into high two-wheeler performance. This cells will give India's longest range electric two-wheelers, and the claim is somewhere around 242 kilometers to 252 kilometers, going all the way up to 501 kilometers. So this is what Ola's claim with respect to its range and its competition advantage. Ola has all these things in the pipeline, and also its commercial gigafactories launch or the battery launch from the gigafactory is also operational as of now, which they are showing in their investors presentation. So based upon all the developments what Ola has made, it is pretty confident that it can have a strong comeback in the stock market and also in the two-wheeler segment. Now the question remains with us. Every great company faces a test. The question is, did they fall? The question is, how did they respond? So comment down below based upon your views, like whether Ola will survive based upon its R&D capabilities, or it will take more time for its brand value to have a better trust from the customer side, and the share price will take very long to recover back to its initial value, or it will not recover. So do put your comments down below. And if you want more videos like this, where we discuss about each company's its business, its future projects, and other things, please do comment us the company's name so that we can create a video for you. Thank you, and follow Mr. Financial Literate for these kind of educational videos. We'll see you in the next video.